is it without a bra. Actually, it's kind of calm. This outfit, I wouldn't obviously wear it out like this. So I love this. This is so cute. On two styles.
You next. Sitting home, watch my gram who vex me. I want like a rule, girl, I chase them checks.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Vanessa Black and I'm here with another Fashionnova haul. This was basically a Fashionnova haul basically because I needed some like casual summer tank tops, aka like the one I'm wearing right now. I just need some casual basic tops. So I thought Fashionnova, let me see what's popping. I looked in their sale collection and I got a couple stuff. The bag is small but it's packed out with tops, so we're just focusing on the tops. It's due to be 30 degrees on Saturday, so if you're watching this video, it's a good time to get your Fashionnova stuff in check, especially if you live in London where you know Fashionnova just takes literally a week and a half to come. This took like a week and a half to come. The estimated delivery was 2nd of July, so I thought I'd be doing this next week, but it came sooner, so I was like, yeah. I was like, yes honey, yes. So yeah, I'm just gonna get straight into it. So if you need some summer tops, this video is for you. If you're skinny, if you're slim, this video is for you. The tops I ordered from Fashionnova I'm wearing right now. It is their size small IZZY tank top in colour rose. I think this is just cute. Again, like I'm not looking for something, I'm just looking for literally a basic top that I can throw on with some jeans or some shorts or a skirt, and these are one of them tops and I really like it. There's nothing more to it. I love how it's sort of like a V thingy, a V neck thing. It's cute and the size small fits like a glove. It's fitted all the way around and yeah, casual in it. I'm ready. And I love the colour as well. The buttons can't be undone, that's a part of the style. You can wear it with or without a bra, but my breasts are just so small. And yeah, we move. So this is the first top. Casual, nice, fitted, and yeah. Another top I got in their mustard colour, and this is the size extra small. Again, the same top but a different colour. This one's an extra small because I thought, hold on a minute, some tank tops, they're so small anyway. If you don't get it extra small, it will kind of be like baggy on you. But they both fit perfectly. The only thing with the extra small is literally is for small people, so the straps go in a bit rather than on like my shoulder. This is it without a bra for y'all people. I think the extra small on a small size person. This is it without a bra. Actually, if I was choosing the small, extra small, I'd probably go for small because it fits me the same way and the straps actually fall in the place I need it to fall. So if you know what I mean, this literally falls more in than being here. That's the only thing with the extra small, so you probably don't need an extra small unless you want to be extra. A very nice cute black top. It's in size small, but I feel like I could have got extra small because this is a bit more loose. This is what I'm saying, it's just so hard when you're size small, but then you don't know if to get an extra small if you want an extra, you know, grab on you. Like, buttons open. Obviously, you know me. It's a leotard bodysuit sort of style. So if I was to take these shorts off, it literally look like a leotard. But again, a nice summery basic top. Obviously I'm not making it a little basic, but you know what I mean. It's nice, it's nice. Again, it can be worn with a bra, without a bra, but I really like this top. Really nice, really nice. I was a bit skeptical at first because it looked like a bit of cloth, but now I kind of like the style because I look good. And obviously I wear this with a nice pair of jeans, even in the winter time, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it's that type. I rolled it up to here, but I think it's supposed to go down here, I don't know. Yeah, I think it's supposed to go down here, let me see. So, all arms, short arms. Nice. Just a casual top really. In the summertime you could wear this, in the winter time you could wear this. It's just a nice adulty mum top. This is like a top my mum would wear. And it's a nice like thin materials, like it's been knitted, the whole thing's been knitted, but it's not a knit, it's like a thin thread. But I really like it. I like it. I like the back open a bit, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I guess it's alright for work. I'll see how I work it out, but top. So I love this. This is so cute. This is cute, guys. Come on. This is finally I own a top that's not a play suit. Play suits and bodysuits are cute. The leotard thing is cute, but not every day. Freaking undo this bit to go toilet, it's annoying. Online fashion shops started to do like leotards. If you wanted a top, it was a leotard, it was a bodysuit, and I was like, no, what happened to normal tops that just end somewhere? In case you guys didn't actually notice, baby pink is my colour. Really well with nice pair of jeans, ripped jeans, leggings, shorts. I'm feeling it with the shorts. But yeah, I love this, and I love the fact that it's a halter neck, so I just literally put it over my head and it's like a straight back top. Obviously you'd probably want to wear this without no bra because you wouldn't want two random bra straps appearing there, so I've kind of tucked my bra straps underneath. But I'd probably wear this without a bra sometimes, or with a bra, depending on how I feel. Very cute summer top. It is called the KALANI halter. Guys, small, and all the price will be in. Do you know what? I might actually have to do this on a Saturday. It's 30 degrees on Saturday, guys. Don't mock it. Imagine this with a nice pair of sandal heels. This is very cute. Guys, I said I got us with the Fashionnova videos. I said I got us, all us slim girls, okay? It's cool. What are these things? These things get on my nerves. What are they? I don't remember it being this baggy and this big and this bit of winter stuff. I don't know what. I don't remember getting this looking like this, if I'm being very honest. This is supposed to be a summer haul, so what am I doing for real? But again, I said I needed some work clothes, some work tops, and I guess I picked this for some reason. It's very thin material. It feels like the black top, but it's not open back. It's just a thin material. It's kind of like a mid-weather fit. I'd wear this with just shorts, maybe some like knee-high. It's not bad. It's not your. This is not supposed to be part of the summer haul, so I don't know why I chose this. I didn't expect it to be like a jumper. Yeah, obviously I wouldn't wear this 30 degrees on Saturday. Guys, this is actually end of the Fashionnova haul. Thumbs up this video. The more you thumbs up my video, the more people see it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm sorry guys I didn't post for a while. I post every weekend, so make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias. If you like all these tops and you're looking to get one that I showed you guys, open the description box now, because I put the price and the name of every item I wore in the description box. Check out my other videos, check out my latest video, and I'll see you soon, guys.